In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Scorpius, the scorpion, and its most prominent star, Antares, a big red giant star nearing the end of its life, and it will supernova sometime. So the first thing I want to do is change my time to the evening, and I asked you to look at it on September 29th, right after sunset. So to change the time, we're going to go in our lower left-hand corner. Get that out of the way. Okay, to change the time, we're going to go in our lower left-hand corner and reveal the menus and go up to time, and we can manually change the time in the settings here. And remember that this is on military time, so it's based on 24-hour day. So if I want after sunset, I'm going to forward the hours until right after sunset. Right, there's Mars, and if I mouse over and click on this one, I can see there is Antares, which I know from reading the article that I gave you, but I want to show you how to find the constellations using Stellarium because that's really fun. So again, go in the lower left-hand corner, reveal the menu, and click on the first selection on the left is constellation lines. So we can see Scorpius start to be drawn here, and to make it more clear, we can do constellations labels. So now it's labeled Scorpius, and then to make it even better, we can do constellation art. So now you can see the picture of the scorpion that is the constellation Scorpius, made from the connect the dots with the stars, and it's one of the few constellations where the connect the dots actually looks really like the constellation. So I want you to see that this isn't something that will stay up in the evening sky very long. Notice that here it is only 7:53, so right before 8 p.m., and it's already setting on the horizon. So if you got like houses nearby in the way, it's going to be hard to see it if you get out there too late, because as time goes by, Scorpius and Antares will set really soon. And you probably couldn't see it at this point unless you had a really nice flat horizon. But it's definitely set around 21 minus 12 is 9 p.m. So it's setting at 9 p.m. But you probably need to get out there a lot earlier, because on your horizon it's probably just not flat with trees far in the distance. You probably have houses in the way and things like that. This isn't something that you could see for too many nights, because I want you to notice that as the nights go by, let me back up the time, get back to like 8 p.m. So 12 plus 8 is 20. Then 8 p.m. flat, so no minutes. Alright, so at 8 p.m. on the 28th, which was Sunday, this is where Scorpius is. But as we go further and further into the fall, Scorpius is setting earlier and earlier and earlier at night. So this is still 8 p.m., but this is October 2nd. And notice how much further set in the west Scorpius is. And yeah, it's west. It's like southwest, right? In between the south and the west. So Scorpius is setting earlier and earlier and earlier. Oops, wrong way. Earlier and earlier and earlier as the days go by. And once you get into like probably past the first week of October, at 8 p.m. it's going to be too late to see Scorpius, because it will be too low on the horizon. As we get further into the fall, Scorpius has completely set by 8 p.m. So Scorpius is a summer constellation, so as we approach winter, it will no longer be in our sky, and we'll get into talking about Orion, which in mythology is tied in with Scorpius, and Scorpius is chasing Orion on the opposite side of the sky. So anyway, get out there, see Scorpius, see its star Antares, the big red giant nearing the end of its life, and have fun.